So most likely you are a millennial, right? So if you want to grow your money without a big bankroll, this is a video you should watch, all right? Now, what if I told you that you could just turn $5 into $50, right? And you could do this right from your phone. Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you 7 micro investment apps for millennials where you can grow $5 into $50 right from your phone. So let's get started right now. Now, the first app on this list is going to be Acorns. Now, you can invest your spare change, like rounding up your coffee purchases, for example, and you watch it grow over time. So all you need to do is just head over to acorns.com to sign up. Now, what about the earnings for Acorns? Well, you can start with $5 and it could grow to $50 or more with steady investing. So, why is this Acorns app awesome? Well, basically, it's super easy and also perfect for small budgets. So, definitely check out acorns.com. Now, the second app that you could use to grow your investment as a millennial is going to be Stash. Now, what you do, you pick stocks or funds you love and start investing with just a few bucks with this app, right? So you can check it out. It's at stash.com. Now, what you do basically, you could turn that $5 into $50 and you keep on basically investing more and more until it go up. Now, it's beginner friendly and it lets you invest in what you vibe with. So go to stash.com and you can definitely check that out. Now, number three is going to be Robinhood, a very popular one out there, right? So what you do, you buy stocks or cryptocurrencies with no commission fees, and that's a good thing. You start small and you build up, right? So it's at robinhood.com. So basically, you go there to get going. Again, you start with small as $5, and again, you could rat that up to $50, up to $100. So it depends on what you are investing, right? Now, what's really cool about Robinhood is that it's a full integrated phone app, and you're in full control of this. So check out robinhood.com. Now, the fourth micro investment apps for a millennial is going to be Public. So Public. What you do on Public is that you invest in stocks and ETFs with as little as $1, right? So there's no fee, and basically it's a lot of fun as well. So you can go to public.com and then you turn that small amount of money, watch it grow over time as you invest. It's a win-win situation, and it's more like a social app. You can follow other investors as well, and you can learn from them as you go. So that is public.com. Now, the fifth on this list is Wealthfront. So basically, what you do, you automate your investing with low fees once more. You start small and you let it compound as usual. This is the way to go. And again, small money, and you keep on investing, right? So why would you pick this app? Well, basically, it's hands off and it's built for long term gains, right? So it's a pretty good app as well. So wealthfront.com. So go there, get it downloaded, and get started. The sixth app that we have on this list is going to be M1 Finance. So what you do with M1 Finance is that you build a custom portfolio with fractional shares, and you start with your pocket change as usual, right? So you go to m1finance.com to get started, right? Now, it's really good. You get free trades, and it's also flexible, right? It's perfect for millennials as well, just like you. So you want to definitely put this one on your list as well. Now, the seventh app on this list is going to be called Betterment, right? It's last but not least. Now, what you do, you invest with robo advisors. You start very small with this and you grow steady with these investors over there. So you can find them at betterment.com, and that's where you go to get set up, right? Again, they have low fees and it's automatically growing your funds as well. It's a great millennial friendly way to grow your funds, all right? So those are the 7 micro investment apps for a millennial where you can basically take $5 and you can grow it into $50 and keep on growing it as you invest more. Now all the links are going to be in the description right below here. So pick one and start growing your cash, all right? Now I would like to know which one is your favorite though, right? Let me know in the comments and go ahead and hit that like button, right? Subscribe for more, and then I'll see you in the next video.